Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then let's enter the settings. Of course, if you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon and they will appear right there. So let's tap on them. Tap on the languages, and this is the list of currently applied languages. The layouts, we've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically this list is really long. If you want to, you can simply tap on the search icon and write the name of the language. After finding it, just tap on it. Sometimes you can pick the region, so just find yours and tap. And as you can see, here we've got the section where we can pick the keyboard layouts, and it depends on the language, because sometimes you can pick from 1 or 2 different layouts, or even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So as I said, it's up to the language, and all we have to do is to mark the one we would like to use and untick other option. Of course, you can use 2. I think I prefer this one, so let me untick this option. We will apply the first one. Let's tap on done, and as you can see, we've got the Arabic language applied. And here, if you're ready and if you're sure that you want to only use if you're sure you want to use only one language, you want to remove the language which is set as a system one, you have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language. In my case, it will be English, for example. You can mark it and then tap on the trash bin icon. I don't want to do it right now because I want to show you how to use the keyboard whenever you've got more than 2 languages applied. So let's go back to the keyboard, and here we have two differences. So the globe icon, which will allow us to change the keyboard. So currently I'm kind of typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let me do it again. Here we've got also the second difference of the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. We've got the keyboard shown. So as I said, this is how to use 2 different keyboard languages. Of course, we can remove them and set only one. Just tap on this edit icon. I will remove Arabic. I want to have English. After marking, trash bin icon, and after getting back, you can see that we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.